And welcome to German Lehrer, a premium way to learn Deutsch. In this German for Beginners A1 course, Lesson 10, we are going to learn the names of 7 days of German week. I'm your mentor, Joseph Bolt will be with you and together we will try to learn. And before we proceed, today we will learn the names of 7 days in German week. In order to learn German or Deutsch properly and also to complete A1 course, we need to know them. So, let's start. Basically, German week starts with Monday, and in German, Monday is known as Montag, Montag, and the next one is Tuesday. In German, we say Dienstag, Dienstag, and the next one is Wednesday. We call it as Mittwoch, Mittwoch. And the next one is Thursday. We call it as Donnerstag, Donnerstag. Friday, Freitag, Freitag. And the next one is Saturday, which is known as Samstag, Samstag. And the last one is Sunday, which is known as Sonntag, Sonntag. And that's all. If you repeat again, Monday is Montag, Tuesday as Dienstag, Wednesday at Mittwoch, Thursday at Donnerstag, Friday as Freitag, Saturday Samstag, Sunday Sonntag. And that was the 7 days of German week. Please practice them properly and try to learn the names of 7 days. And notes. Please practice them properly and contact me on the comment box if you face any problem. If you have missed our previous lesson, then check it from the end screen and from the description too. And I hope you all will be with German Lehrer and watch our next video. Subscribe and inspire us. Tschüss.